What's up guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. If you're looking for the ystrap doctor in the Chicagoland area with great hands-on chiropractic adjusting, you've come to the right place. We would really love to be able to help you next. But right now, we got another one. Let's go. What's up guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here, back at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. We have another patient. Actually, this is our third Georgia that we've had.
No way.
Third Georgia video. This is a different Georgia though. So kind of explain what's going on with you.
So my neck is clicking a lot and I have scoliosis, so sometimes I have back pain as well.
Okay. So when all this began, she was sleeping on the couch a lot and tended to, I guess her head would fall off the side of the couch. So really bad sleeping position can definitely cause some issues. So we'll get you to go face down. And we'll put heat on your back, okay? Help kind of relax the muscles before the adjustment. Scoot down towards your feet just a little bit. Okay.
And I'm so short.
You can let your arms just hang down to the ground. Yep, perfect. Just let me know if you have any pain or tenderness when I'm poking around. Some more stiffness, tightness,
yeah.
Not really any pain or anything. Yeah, it isn't that bad. She's got a little scoliosis too. Go ahead and lift your chin up a little bit. Relax around your chin, good. Good. So through here, down, pretty good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, stay up on your chin. Go up on your chin. Relax right on your chin, perfect. Good. Where do you feel all that cracking? Is it upper or lower?
I want to say upper.
Okay. Ooh.
Yeah, the ball.
Yeah, you got a nice hunch here. Okay, same thing. Go up onto your chin and then relax. Perfect. You fighting me or no?
Kind of.
Okay. This side's way worse.
Mhm.
Good. Nice.
Yeah, I could feel that side's like more tight.
I was like, I don't know if it's just her resisting or...
I think it's a mix of both.
I think it was a little both, but it definitely wasn't as much. All right, go ahead and flip on your back. We'll do your neck.
Yeah, like, so the ball's because of my hunch, right?
Yeah, that thing you feel there? Yeah. So that's right where like C7, your last like neck bone meets your like backbone. Mm-hmm. That's the first, that's called the CT junction there. And there's always like a little hump. But yours is like pretty severe. So you got some like what they call anterior head carriage.
Yeah.
That falls down like this. Yeah. So when you have that anterior head carriage, all these muscles get extra tight in the back of your head. So you're gonna, do you have like tension headaches or anything?
Yes,
like
all the time.
Yeah. So it's all from that type of stuff.
I need to come in a lot. Actually, 4 years ago, I had to go to severe therapy. I was going 3 times a week to a chiropractor.
3 times a week?
Yeah.
Yeah, if something's like severe, we'll sometimes have to see people that often. So.
Like, I was in so much pain that, like, I thought that there was something wrong with me, so I went to, like, my actual doctor, and then I went to the gynecologist, and they're like, there's nothing wrong with you. I'm like, no, there is. And then I started going to the chiropractor, and then I felt better. I'm like, see, you guys were wrong.
Yeah. They don't really treat like soft tissue disorders or issues like at the doc, so that's where we come in. I mean, a scoliosis is definitely it's gonna be kind of like you're always gonna kind of have issues with it. You're just gonna have to manage them. Yeah, you got some. Definitely a stiff cervical spine. Okay, rotate. Rotate that way. Was one way harder than the other when you do it?
Mm-mm.
No.
I don't think so.
we're actually gonna go and do it in the chair. I think it'll be better.
Am I curable?
Are you curable? We'll find out. Alright, you're gonna sit back, kick your feet out, slouch down in the chair. So, yep, push your butt forward. Perfect. Let your hands just fall down to the side. Good. Curable. Your head just fall back that way. Good, let it relax. Good. Same thing, let it just fall over. You don't have earrings in or anything, do you?
Mm-mm.
Okay, didn't really fall. Yeah, you relax easier this way. You just fall. A little bit more, a little bit more. Let it relax, let it relax. Okay. This is the one I wanted anyway, so.
Yeah, I heard
You got a
that
lot
one.
of tightness in there, so when the muscles are holding on, sometimes you
Mhm.
don't get as good a release. Alright, rotate on your own.
Like which way?
This way.
Oh.
And left. Yep. Pull right. Go as far as you can. Yeah. Okay. Good. Good. We'll restrict it that way. Alright. We're going to go over there and do your low back. So we're going to bring this leg up. Bottom one's going to stay straight. Actually, switch your arms around the other way. There you go. Just a little bit. Low back ever give you issues?
Mm-hmm.
Does it? Sometimes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you tell?
Yeah, let this go. You have a lot of stiffness. Good. Okay. Then we're going to flip your head down here. Face me still.
Yeah, when I first started going, like, it was always because of my low back.
Okay.
It fluctuates, apparently.
Whatever's bothering you.
Yeah.
Oh, no more couch sleeping.
No. I've been sleeping in my bed.
Yeah, that'll do it. Couch is terrible. See? I already went. Let this relax. All the way. Okay, good. Alright, go ahead and stand up. I'm gonna have you walk back and forth right here. Just tell me how you feel.
Good. I needed a good adjustment. I felt so many cracks.
Yeah, you got a lot of tightness going on.
Yeah.
There's just a lot of stiffness in there. Tight muscle.
Is that also probably why my neck is clicking?
Yeah, definitely. So we're gonna get you to go here, head down here on your back. Go and lift your legs up, and then slide your butt all the way into this here.
This is what I sleep with sometimes when
Yeah.
my back hurts.
Multiple people have said that to me. Hey, I had one of those. Perfect, right there. I know another person was like, oh yeah, I had a knee injury and I had to sleep with one of these. Lift your head up. Let's keep it lifted up for a second and get all your hair out of there. Try not to pull as much hair out as possible. Okay, down. The objective is an adjustment, not to remove hair. Alright, just breathe normal. You can cross your hands over your stomach or you can leave them at your side, whatever's more comfortable for you. Just do a little traction so you feel a little bit of a pull. Handle that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Take a deep breath in and all the way out.
And that felt good.
Then just lay there and breathe. How's that?
I like that. I feel like it gets you in a place that like you can't normally with an
Yeah.
adjustment.
Yeah, it is. So there's like 3 planes of motion, so we get through 2 of them, and that just kind of does a decompression.
Yeah, I
Kinda
like
nice.
that.
All right,
Thank you.
you're good. Go ahead, get up. Go ahead and walk back and forth a few times. How do you feel?
Good. I like that. I never had that done before.
Go ahead and have a seat right there. Okay, we're just gonna do a range of motion again. So right to left. Shoulders are a lot more even now. This one was really high before. Go lateral bend, so side to side. Heard it click there. Snappy, snappy. You have a lot of tight muscle going on.
Yeah.
Chin to your chest. Okay, and then go into extension. Okay, extension and flexion is really good. No pain though when you're doing any of that. Okay, good. That's it.
Thank
You're
you.
all set. Hey guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and smash that like button for us, okay? And if you want to keep up with all the content we're putting out, we're putting out 1 to 2 videos a week showing what the Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience is like. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button as well, okay? You'll be able to see how we use the ystrap and good hands-on chiropractic care to get you to where you need to be, okay? Find your relief with that Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience.